what fruit do you like?
Ready?
What fruit do you like? I like grapes.
I like
Grapes. Okay, stand up. What do you like and what fruit do you like?
Okay. Oh, let's try to ask him. Okay.
What fruit do you like? I like
选一个。
bananas. Yes, and
I like orange.
orange. Okay. Bananas.
You I like kiwi.
You like kiwi.
Let's try to read them all. Okay. Everybody say wash the fruit. Wash the fruit.
Step 1, wash the fruit. Step 2,
Cut
the fruit.
very good. Step 3,
Put. Okay. Put the fruit in the blender.
right. And step 4,
Add some water.
and then
Let's
mix. Very good. That's a not called. That's a did. Did the fruits. Cheers.
Cheers.